Where's your nose? And your ears?
Is
And your hair?
hair.
And your eyes?
Eyes.
Where's your mouth? Where's your belly? Where? There it is. Where is your elbow?
Some pictures I took in
Elbow.
Central America.
Elbow.
Elbow. Where's your knee?
Impossible to identify.
Knee.
No, that's your butt.
These soldiers.
Butt.
Butt. Where's your knee?
I was grateful at the time, but look at them.
You say
Look
hi.
at him, Booth.
Give yourself a kiss.
What?
Oh, do it again.
Thanked him.
Give her a kiss.
You had a job to do.
In Afghanistan, when you see boys like this, do you let them fight?
Blow a kiss. Go. Mwah.
What?
It was different.
Goodbye.
There was a protocol.
Bye.
I should.